in Delhi, I'm not saying about other states, but at least in Delhi, Bal Bharati is the only organization which up till now have taken the initiative of aligning teachers with this new change scenario. And the credit for that goes to you because you have taken the time out and you have taken the efforts to come here all along on Saturday and giving us your time for that.
Thank you for the organization for conducting such a wonderful workshop. All the key speakers were very well versed with their content, and the last session especially taken by that girl. I don't remember the name. Prachi. Yes, Prachi ma'am. The slides were very innovative and interactive as well, and we learned a lot. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am and sir, how was your workshop with Coastal-Elastic and FITT?
The workshop was amazing. We get to know about what all startup is all about, how to be an entrepreneur, and what all different things have been associated with all these things.
Definitely, it was a very nice workshop, and I think people must know how we can go for the new innovations and creativity.
All the sessions were very enriching, and we learned a lot about the new startups, which will be really fruitful for our teaching process, which we can communicate to our students as well.
Yes, what I feel that students should also visit this place. They will be motivated that how we can go about for the new innovations.
And the go-round about the property was really very good. We get to know about different startups which are there in the pipeline and what all products we might be getting in our future which will help us as well and the entire society regarding this. Yes, overall it was a wonderful workshop and we really enjoyed it.
Definitely, there were a lot of questions before coming to this today's particular workshop related to how definitely that idea goes into the market. And whereupon there was a big glitch, you can say, that how that idea actually needs to materialize into that stage where we are talking about in two terms, incubation and acceleration, before reaching there. The idea and the incubation point, here actually lies the most of the hurdles of the challenges. So I could feel like, more getting some kind of food into it, like, thought process into it, that how this area needs to be guided more if a bacha or a student is having some kind of an idea actually. Yeah,
I would also like to continue with what ma'am said. It was very informative, yes, but I somehow feel that we need to know how, if we can have such sessions for children as well, if they can come here and, in person meet with your resource people. And apart from that, I have